So in Terabox, if you want to go ahead and preview out your photos, then over here you can see that if it is a photo, you can simply go ahead and click, and then you will see the photo right here just like this. You can go ahead and zoom in, zoom out right here, and even go ahead and rotate the photo, add it to favorites, download, and so forth right here just like this. So you can see that you can also go ahead and see the thumbnails of the photos right here. Use the arrow keys to go ahead and navigate around in the photos. Let me just go ahead and close it, and let me just go to the sample folder. Let's say, for example, I don't have any photos right here, but inside of files, you can see that I got some photos. So if I were to click right here, I can go ahead and click on next right here to go ahead and see these images. You can go ahead and zoom in and zoom out right here just like this as well. Let me just go ahead and close and escape this out right here. And another thing that you can do is if you want to go ahead and view out the other photos that you have, you can simply go around over here onto pictures, and you'll be able to see all of the pictures that you have stored on your Terabox as well. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that I can go ahead, click on next, and I see the other pictures right here. I can go ahead and zoom in, zoom out, just like this right here. And then I can go ahead and rotate it, add around, and download it out right here just like this. I can rotate out the picture, I can download it, add to favorite, or delete, and even see the thumbnails, and you can see the photos right here. Click on it to go ahead and navigate in between the photos just like this as needed. So that is how you can go ahead and preview out your photos inside of Terabox. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.